Have you ever checked your credit score and felt your stomach drop? Maybe you did everything right, yet your credit score still isn't where it should be. Three numbers controlling your financial life. The system was never designed to explain itself to you. Here's the truth most people don't tell you. You do not need years to start improving your credit score. There are actions you can take right now that can change your credit within the next month. One phone call, one payment timing change, one smart decision. This isn't luck. It's knowing the rules of the game. Welcome to Geico Finance USA, where we simplify money, credit, and wealth building for everyday Americans.
You want to boost your credit score in just 1 month? Maybe you're planning to buy a car, rent an apartment, get a credit card, or apply for a loan. The good news is, yes, it is possible to improve your credit score in 30 days if you follow the right steps. In today's video, I'm going to share 10 proven and realistic ways to boost your credit score fast. No scams, no shortcuts, only smart strategies. Welcome to Geico Finance USA, where we simplify money, credit, and investing in the United States. Let's get started.
Step 1. Check your credit report for errors. The first and most important step is checking your credit report. Many people don't realize this, but credit report errors are very common. Wrong balances, late payments you never missed, or even accounts that don't belong to you. Go to annualcreditreport.com and get your free credit report from Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. If you find any mistakes, dispute them immediately. Removing just one wrong negative item can boost your score quickly, sometimes within weeks. Step 2. Pay down credit card balances fast. Your credit card balance plays a huge role in your credit score. Credit bureaus look at something called credit utilization, which means how much credit you're using compared to your limit. Try to keep your utilization below 30%, and if possible, under 10%. For example, if your credit limit is $1,000, try to keep your balance under $300, or even better, under $100. Paying down balances is one of the fastest ways to increase your score. Step 3. Pay before the statement closing date. Here's a secret many people don't know. Your credit card company reports your balance after the statement closing date, not after the due date. So if you pay your balance before the statement closes, a lower balance gets reported, and your score improves faster. This small timing change can make a big difference in just 1 month. Tip 4. Make all payments on time. No excuses. Payment history is the most important factor in your credit score. Even one late payment can hurt your score badly. Make sure you pay at least the minimum on all credit cards, loans, and bills on time or early. Set up auto pay if possible. One missed payment can undo all your progress. Tip 5. Request a credit limit increase. This is a powerful strategy. Call your credit card company or request online for a credit limit increase. If approved and you don't increase spending, your utilization drops instantly. Lower utilization equals higher credit score. Some banks do a soft inquiry, which means no damage to your credit. Tip 6. Become an authorized user. If you have a trusted family member or close friend with good credit, ask to become an authorized user on their credit card. Make sure that card has heavy check mark, long history, heavy check mark, low balance, heavy check mark, perfect payment record. You don't even need to use the card. Their positive history can reflect on your credit report and boost your score within weeks. Tip 7. Use Experian Boost or similar tools. Experian Boost allows you to add utility bills, phone bills, and streaming services to your credit file. These are bills you already pay on time. Now they can help your credit score. It doesn't affect all credit bureaus, but can give you a quick boost, especially if your credit file is thin. Tip 8. Pay multiple times per month. Instead of paying your credit card once a month, try paying twice or even weekly. This keeps your balance low at all times and helps control utilization. Lower reported balances mean higher scores, especially in the short term. Tip 9. Ask for goodwill or pay for delete. If you have late payments or collections, contact your creditors. You can ask for a goodwill adjustment, especially if you usually pay on time. For collections, you can try a pay for delete, where you pay the balance in exchange for removing the negative item. Not all creditors agree, but it never hurts to ask. Tip 10. Don't close old accounts. Old credit accounts help your credit score by increasing your credit age. Even if you don't use a card often, keep it open and use it occasionally for small purchases. Closing old accounts can actually lower your score.